Good morning. U.S. students with loans more likely to report poor health. Mm. A U.S. study has found that college students who have loans are more likely to report they have poor health. They are also more likely to delay going to the doctor and less likely to take as much medicine as they need. Researchers from the University of North Carolina at Green, Greensboro and Rutgers University in Camden surveyed over 3,200 college students. The students were asked to rate their mental and physical health and asked whether they had ever delayed medical care, including physical, mental, and dental care, since starting college. Those taking regular medication are also asked if they sometimes reduced the amount they took to save money. The results showed that having a loan was related to significantly worse self-reported physical and mental health. Students with loans were also less likely to go to the dentist, more likely to say they had delayed mental or physical treatment, and more likely to have reduced their medication to save money. However, all students were equally likely to have received a new mental health diagnosis or treatment for a mental health disorder. They were also equally likely to have used mental health medication or visited a mental health specialist in the previous year. Writing in the conversation, the authors said these results are important because they suggest that students' loans may have hidden costs for students' physical and mental health. The authors also wrote that they had found these delays in doctor visits continue even after students graduate, and that graduates who put off doctor visit in college are twice as likely to have experienced a recent major medical problem. According to Forbes, over half of U.S. students have loans. Really, the average student has almost $30,000 in loans. Oh, Japanese people do too. For a total of $1.75 trillion across the country. A 2019 survey by New York Life found that it took Americans an average of nearly 20 years to pay off their student loans. That's so sad. Discussion. What are your thoughts on the study's finding? I just said it's very sad. Do you find it surprising that the average student in the U.S. has almost $30,000 in loans? Well, if you loan money for a university in Japan, I think it's about the same price anyways. Is it expensive to go to university in your country? Yes, it is. Do most students in your country take on debt to study? I think it's not really common, but there are some. Do you think university education should be free for everyone? It doesn't have to be free, but it needs to be reasonable. Further discussion. How difficult is it to get into college where you live? Depends on the level. Do most people in your country go to college after high school? What would you say is the best thing about being a student? It's fun, for sure. What are some of the biggest universities in your country? What are the most prestigious universities in your country? ね、だ東大でしょうね。兄弟かな。東京 and Kyoto universities.